Good Mogul Sam, and I'm back with another banging banger. Senguyile with another video. Namhlanje ngizosha nje i-video esematheni kakhulu for ama-beginners because ayakhonfuzeka when it comes to lama topic lawo awu-3. Number 1, i-lots. Lots. Number 2, i-leverage. And last but not least, the margin. So we're going to dive deep kulama topic lawo and explain ukuthi ayini and asebenza kanjani. So thank you guys for subscribing with channel Forex Moguls on the road to 5k. On the road to 5k, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Nisho ukuthi nidinga explainelwa kwini, like mapha ama videos eniwafunayo. So let's go straight to i-lots. Sichaze i-lots manje. So i-lots guys inamalo awu-4, inama-segment awu-4, meaning ukuthi iney'gaba eziwu-4. Eyokuqala kuba standard. Number 2 kuba i-mini lots. Number 3 kuba i-micro. Eyokugcina-ke bayibiza ineno-ke kodwa not awamaningi ama-broker ayisebenzisayo. Neno awamaningi ama-low ayisebenzayo. Yonke lento le falls under i-lot size. Okay, then sibuyele back again. I-standard, sorry about that, njengoba ngisebenzisa le background ngoba vele sisazoyisebenzisa. I-standard siba no 100,000 units. Right? Mase kuthi ilo i-mini yona ibe no 10. Mase kuthi i-micro ibe no 1,000. Ineno-ke obviously iba no 100 units. So ngichaza kanjani-ke i-lot size? I-lot size ithathe njengomuntu, for instance, let's say umdayisi dayisa ama-fruit and veg, right? Lama fruit and veg owadayisayo mawuya e-market uyowathenga, ufika laphana uwathenge not as singular, meaning awukwazi ukuthenga i-apple elilodwa masuthi wena umdayisi uyodayisa lelo apple elilodwa. Obviously uthenga in bulk, uthenga i-carton elinama-aphula phakathi. For instance, let's say lelo carton lelo ibhokisi lilonke lu-100 and phakathi awu-100. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi wena ukunikeza i-clue ukuthi njengoba ewu-100 phakathi lidayisa u-100, shuthi liyishumi lilodwa. So wena uyithenga yonke lento ngomalini? Ngo-100. Obviously ngoba phela wena umdayisi ngeke uthathe the same amount uhambe uye lapha etafuleni lakho uphinde udayise nge-same amount, uzoluza. You have to put a markup, you have to add ngaphezulu ukuze ugain i-profit. Ngamanye amazwi It's either uzothi leli aphula ulidayise ngo-R2 or noma ulidayise ngo-R3, ukuze phela ukwazi ukubuyisa imali yakho plus ne-profits ozobe uyenzile. I-lot size-ke isebenza kanjalo. Imali it's a unit oyisebenzisayo ekwazi ukuthi imultiplyise imali yakho ukuze ukwazi ukuthi wenze more. But-ke kuyenzeka ukuthi as much as uyi-multiplyisa ugain more, kwi-market-ke ibuyize vice versa. Iyakwazi futhi ukuthi isheshe i-blow i-account yakho because the more lot size you use, the riskier it becomes. Yabo? Risk it becomes. Right? So obviously you have to be careful around there. So ngicabanga ukuthi kuyazwakala-ke kwi-lot size. So manje isikhathi sokuthi ngichaze i-leverage. I-leverage is very easy to understand. Kahle kahle le kusuke kuyimali osuke uyibhorowe or oyibolekwe i-broker. Yabo? It's a money kahle kahle imali le. Because wena ngithi usuke unemali encane mhlampe for instance uno-$10. So ngalo $10 uzokwazi ukuthi usebenzise i-lot size enkulu because of i-leverage abasuke bekunike yona. So how do you understand i-leverage? Okay. Number one, kwi-leverage kudiphenda kwi-broker-ke. Kudiphenda kwi-broker ukuthi ama-leverage abakunike wona anjani. But kufike kube khona u-1:10, right? Kube khona u-1:50, kube khona u-1:100. Kuyanyuka-ke kuze kufike ko-2,000 sometimes or 3,000. But ngizochaza mina lokhu so that uzoyi-understand ibambe kahle. So ichaza ukuthini u-1:10? Uchaza ukuthi u-1 lo umele idola lilodwa, ukuthi ngedola elilodwa wena uzokwazi ukucontrola i-assets ewetha u-$10. Yizwa leyo nto? Kuma-currency pairs akho. Same as u-1:50 ukuthi wena ngedola elilodwa uzokwazi ukwenzani? Ukucontrola i-assets ezoba approximately $50. Same as applied to futhi nala. Yabo? Ukuthi uzokwazi ukwenzani? Ukuthi ucontrole i-assets ewetha $100. Uyayizwa le nto engishoyo? Up until uze kufike ku-2,000. So yona nje isobala nje lo isobala i-leverage imali nje kahle kahle osuke ubhorowe i-broker usuke kubolekile because basuke nje benzela ukuthi ukwazi ukutrade ama-volumes amakhulu. Yabo? Ukwazi ukutrade nje ama-volumes amakhulu. Kungabi ukuthi uba limited ukuthi just because imali incane. Uyayizwa leyo nto? So injalo-ke i-leverage. Then mase siza ku-final ema-finalini i-margin. I-margin mangiyichaza ngizoyichaza kanje. Ukubona ukuthi uma uyorenta imoto enkampanini la inkampani lezi ezirentisa imoto, ukubona ukuthi uma uya khona usually bakubuza i-deposits. Sometimes kuba u-4,000, sometimes kuba u-6,000 depending kwinkampani. ukuze bakwazi ukukudedelela imoto, because leyo mali yenzela ukuthi if anything happens bayazi kodwa nabo ukuthi abalimali because vele banemali engakubona. So imagine injalo-ke, imali esuke ithathwa i-broker for instant if ever anything happens kule mali ozobe uyidephozithile, yabo? Njengoba ngisho ukuthi nje for imali esuke ikhishwa umuntu oharisha imoto, ngoba usuke enzela ukuthi akwazi ukuyithola, meaning ukuthi la kwimakhethi it is money that is actually kept ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uthatha ama-entries kwi-market, yabo? Ukuze ukwazi wena ukufaka i-entry kumele kube khona i-minimum margin level yokuthi okay, kuvumeleke ukuthi wena ube nemali engaka ukuze ukwazi ukuthi utrade. Uma unganayo leyo mali, i-trade yakho or i-entry yakho ngeke ingene kwi-market, ngeke ize ingene, iyona margin level yakho leyo. And futhi same thing happens ukuthi if ever usulona i-account yakho kube ngazuthi iba negative, once yafika kwi-margin level point iyablowa nje straight, yabo? Iyablowa because nabo basuke benzela kona ukuthi ingaze ifike straight ku-negative iziganxazele kubona, yabo? So into yelona-ke margin level isuke ichaze lokho. So there's nothing much basically, guys, there's nothing much ngendaba yelo this is not a real account jale ngivule la. So for instance here njengoba ubona ukuthi kwakuyi-entry endala engangilona ngithi 0,01 awu baba nazo. So ngiphinde i-lot size yami nansi, iyona lot size le. Then let's go, angazi noma izongena le entry. Okay, iyangena. Ngifuna ukutshengisa imagine, nayi imagine level le. Yibo imagine yethu, that is margin level. This is a standard account. That is why imagine level i-high kanje, yebo lonto. Then mase kuba i-leverage-ke, which is lento ekade ngiyichaza ekuqaleni ukuthi isiza ekutheni ukwazi ukufaka more entries. Yabo la ngingafaka ama-entries othi ngibo ngathi ngiyiphinde futhi ngifake enye entry, yabo? Ngikwazi ukufaka ama-entry awu-2 ngo-$1, yabo? Esithathu uma ngicaba mhlampe ngangena, ngeke isangena, but according to i-leverage yethu sikwazi ukufaka 2, but ukuba i-leverage incane bengeke izingene at all, bengeke izingene. So nje guys, that is actually it. There's nothing much, there's nothing less. If more understand kanjalo, then you will understand the markets. So thank you so much ukuthi nikwazile ukuthi nifike la ekugcineni nilalele i-video yethu. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. Team Forex Moguls, let's get it.